Welcome to YouTube. This is Auto Review, and today we are diving into the world of rugged power and refined style with the all-new 2026 Mazda BT-50. This isn't just another pickup. It's a statement of strength, capability, and modern elegance. Mazda has taken its reputation for sleek design and efficient performance and merged it with the demands of a tough dollar-screen workhorse, creating a vehicle that is equally at home on the job site, the open highway, or the trail less traveled. From the very first glance, the 2026 BT-250 commands attention. Its bold Kodo-inspired design language brings sharp lines, a confident front grille, and a more aerodynamic profile than ever before. The LED headlights and signature daytime running lights give it an assertive high-tech presence, while the sculpted bonnet hints at the strength beneath. The combination of rugged wheel arches and premium alloy wheels shows that Mazda has mastered the art of mixing functionality with style. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda BT-50 offers a range of powertrains designed to handle any challenge. The latest turbodiesel and petrol engine options deliver impressive torque for towing, hauling, and off-road adventures, while also improving fuel efficiency thanks to advanced engineering. Mazda's focus on performance isn't just about raw power, it's about control, stability, and reliability. The BT-50 features a refined suspension setup and precision, steering that make it as comfortable on city streets as it is capable on rocky terrain. When it comes to off-road performance, the 2026 BT-50 doesn't hold back. With selectable drive modes, improved ground clearance, and reinforced underbody protection, it's ready to take on mud, sand, gravel, or snow without hesitation. The 4x4 system is engineered to deliver consistent grip in the toughest conditions, giving drivers the confidence to push boundaries. Whether it's crossing streams or climbing steep hills, the BT-50's mechanical and electronic systems work together seamlessly to keep you moving forward. Mazda has also paid close attention to the practicality that pickup owners demand. Cargo bed is designed for maximum usability, with a durable liner and strategically placed tie-down points. Payload capacity and towing strength have both been enhanced, making the BT-50 a true partner for work and recreation. It's more than just a truck, it's a tool that adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're hauling construction equipment during the week or towing a boat for a weekend getaway, safety has been given top priority in the 2026 BT-50. Mazda's suite of advanced driver assistance technologies includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. These systems are designed not only to protect you in dangerous situations, but to actively help prevent accidents before they happen. Combined with a reinforced body structure, the BT-50 is a strong shield for you and your passengers. The 2026 Mazda BT-50 represents a new chapter in Mazda's pickup story. It blends the brand's signature design elegance with the strength and resilience required for the toughest tasks. This is a truck for people who need capability without compromising on style, for those who demand both durability and a premium presence on the road. So whether you're venturing off-road, towing heavy loads, or simply enjoying a long drive through the countryside, the BT-50 is ready to deliver. This is Mazda's vision of a pickup for the modern era: tough, smart, and undeniably stylish. This has been Auto Review. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest vehicles shaping the future of driving.